Ever wondered what solar energy can do for you? It can do almost anything you want. From lighting up homes, streets and offices, to cooking, heating, and even running your air conditioner, refrigerator, and so much more. And in India, ranked among the top 5 countries globally for renewable energy, generating solar energy is no big deal. We at Emmvee have mastered the art of developing products that convert this solar energy for use in everyday life. We are the market leaders in solar industry with a global presence. Established in 1992 for manufacturing and distribution of complete solar thermal system, Emmvee has been continuously innovating to utilize solar energy. This has made us the pioneer in solar industry in these 25 years. With offices in India and Germany and our 2 world-class production facilities in Karnataka, India, Emmvee has grown substantially year on year and made a name for itself in the photovoltaic modules and solar water heater industry. Our contribution has won us several awards and accolades. Our partners vouch for our products because of the quality, service, and the benefits of faster break-even. Our state-of-the-art unit at Dobaspet has a production area of 25,000 square meters where we manufacture solar thermal solutions. In our fully automated manufacturing facility situated in Bangalore, with an installed capacity of 500 megawatts per year, we produce high-quality photovoltaic modules. Emmvee has a unique modular system offering higher productivity with optimized processes. Emmvee photovoltaic modules and systems are designed to provide clean and green energy. Our PV panels are long-lasting due to the high-quality manufacturing methods and advanced quality control systems we employ. Our modules and systems are ideal for use in large grid-connected power plants and standalone residential applications to meet power requirement. We are one of the leading manufacturers of monocrystalline and polycrystalline high-performance photovoltaic modules in both on-grid and off-grid module categories. Economic to use, these solar solutions make an attractive alternative for traditional resources. Our PV systems also cater to the residential demand as they are extremely light and easy to install. Our modules are designed to withstand maximum system voltage and operating temperature. Our highly skilled and qualified team of professionals ensure world-class production standards adherence and delivery. We have stringent quality checks to deliver global standard modules. Emmvee PV systems and modules are ISO, IEC, BBA and MCS certified. We also have a saltwater mist corrosion certification. Emmvee Diamond, our on-grid monocrystalline module, and Emmvee Crystal, our on-grid polycrystalline module, have been used for many rooftop projects and EPC. Our range of standard off-grid modules and systems is designed for standalone and off-grid applications. With our vast experience in the field of solar energy as a solar PV module manufacturer, Emmvee has completed several megawatt-scale solar PV projects, thus becoming a prominent player in the field of project development and EPC in India and Europe. Some of our prestigious projects across India and Europe are Some of our recent PV projects are Emmvee is making great strides in helping the world adopt solar energy for a greener tomorrow. For many Indians, there's just one brand that comes to mind when they think of solar water heating solutions: Solarizer. Our range of solar heating solutions are manufactured under the brand name Solarizer to cater to both residential and industrial requirements. Manufactured at our Dobaspet unit, the key feature of Solarizer is its glass enamel-coated tanks. In fact, we are the only producers of these tanks in India. Our unit has sophisticated machinery for glass enamel coating of storage tanks and full-plate laser welding machine. Emmvee solarizers are ISO certified and recognized by Dubai Central Laboratory Department. Our 150+ strong solarizer dealer network across the country ensures easy access to these world-class solar heating solutions. Some of our prestigious projects include the future of solar-empowered livelihood seems to be very bright. While the nation is looking forward to consuming a total renewable energy capacity of 175 gigawatts by the end of 2022, Emmvee is all prepared to empower it. Come, be a part of the solar-powered future with Emmvee.